Hi, welcome to another video. So, I keep looking for some good APIs that I can use freely with tools like Cline or Aider. I had recently been using the new GitHub Models API, which I showed you guys, and it's actually quite cool because it gives you access to GPT-4o, which is quite fun to use, but it's rate limited, which is not very great. I had also been using the Mistral and Codestral APIs, and although they are free, they are only limited to Mistral's model, which is not very great. There are things like Together and Hyperbolic, which are great, but the free credits are very limited, so they cannot be used long-term without worrying about rate limits and stuff. But recently, I found something that's just amazing to use. This one is called GLHF. GLHF is a platform that basically allows you to take any model that is available on HuggingFace and convert it to an OpenAI-compatible API and use it as an API. It's currently fully free without any rate limits to use, as it's currently under beta. So, basically, we can use any open source model as an API with it for free and without any rate limits. To test it and see if it is really good or not, I'll be testing it out with Cline and Aider, and we'll see if it is what it says it is. So, let's get started. First of all, get yourself signed up, and you should see this page. So, here, you can see some models. These models here are models that are already running, and you can just click them, chat with them, or also use them with an API. The best model is the Llama 405B model, but currently, Qwen is making waves. So, that's also available, and you can use that if you want. But, if you don't like any of these models, then you can also just paste in a HuggingFace model URL, and it can run that model and give you access to it as well, which is also amazing. I did try to put in the DeepSeek v2 model, and it took a pretty long time to spin up because it's like 230 billion parameters, and it never spun up. It took a long time, but it never worked. But I did try it with a smaller model, like the Qwen-2.5 Coder 14 billion variant, and it again didn't work. So, the custom running thing doesn't work well. Maybe you need to wait a very long time for it to spin up, but I tried, and it didn't work. However, the models that are already available on it work quite well. So, we can still use the already running models, and the already running models are pretty sufficient. So, let's just select the Llama 3.1405B because I like it the best. You can also use Qwen-2.5 Coder if you want. So, first of all, you can chat inside it pretty easily, but we'll be needing an API to use it with Cline or Aider. So, you'll need to click the profile icon here, and then you'll see the API settings option. Now, here, you'll see the API key for your account, and you can see the base URL to use it with anything that supports OpenAI-compatible APIs. So, just get the API key and the base URL from here. Now, let's just go over to VS Code and get Cline configured. First of all, make sure that you upgrade Cline or install it as you'd see fit. Anyway, now let's open it up. Here, you can just go into the settings and select OpenAI-compatible API here. Once you do that, you'll see these three text boxes. First, just enter the base URL from GLHF, which will look like this, and then enter the API key from there as well. Once you do that, you'll need to enter the model name you want to use. You can just enter the model name like this. You'll always need to have this HuggingFace prefix, and then you'll need to enter the model name as on the site. I am using Llama 405B, so I'll just enter that. Now, once that's done, just save it. Now, you can just start using it. Just to test that it's working, let's ask it to make a Minesweeper game. Okay, it's now doing that. Let's wait a bit. And it's now done. So, here's the code and everything. And if we run it, you can see that this works pretty well, which is pretty amazing, to be honest. You can also use the Qwen-2.5 Coder as well if you want. But I just think that Llama 405B is the best model apart from DeepSeek, which is great at coding, at least in real use cases. So, that's good. Now, let's get it configured with Aider. To do that, first of all, get Aider updated or installed as you see fit with this command. It will upgrade or install Aider based on what you have. Now, once that's done, just create a new environment variable for the OpenAI base URL like this. If you use Windows, then instead of export, replace it with setx. Anyway, now just enter the GLHF endpoint like this. Once done, just add another environment variable for the API key. Then, also change the default model to the model you want to use by exporting another default model variable. Once you do that, we can start using it. To use it, just run Aider, and now you can start using it. Let's ask it to make a to-do app using HTML, CSS, and JS. Okay, it's doing that now. Let's wait a bit. And it's now done. So, this looks pretty good. It created the file and everything, which is great to say the least. Let's run it and check it out as well. Okay, this looks good, and using it is fine as well. So, it is working pretty well. Now, I think that this is pretty great for sure. It works pretty well without any rate limits, and is currently fully free. But I don't know how long it will remain that way. Although the custom model thing doesn't work, at least for me, I would have liked it if it worked, but it doesn't. I would have liked to see the DeepSeek model here, but it isn't available either, so that's a little disappointing. But the Qwen and Llama models are pretty good for coding, and maybe you can use them and get some pretty good results. They are fast as well, so there's no usability issue, and all the models are exactly as claimed. So, that's super cool. I'll be using it because I think that this is a great API. And you can also use the models for free through their platform if you're just interested in simple chat. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below. Or you can also consider becoming a member by clicking the Join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.